Hello friends, welcome to this episode of Sunday Special. I'm Raghav and today I want to discuss with you a very simple concept and a very simple thought that I have, and that is how to be relevant in your job or in anything that you do. Now I have a very simple formula for this. To be relevant in anything, you have to be a problem solver. So the formula is to be relevant equals to be a problem solver. Now let us take a very simple example. Let us say there is a person who says, I want to learn test automation to get a job. Now this person will try to get himself skilled on automation tools, frameworks and libraries so that he can get a job in automation. Now let's say there is another person. This person says that I want to learn how to create test automation solution for doing end-to-end testing of a web application. Now look at the thought process. Now this person will still learn all the skills and tools and frameworks and libraries for automation, but now he will think beyond that because he is trying to solve a real world problem. He will think, how can I make this framework very efficient and very fast and very reliable? What happens if there is a failure? How will my framework handle this? What happens if the failure is not due to application issue but due to network issue or data issues? How will the framework handle it? How will this framework provide the reports? Will these reports make sense to the developer or other team members and the stakeholders? Once the defect gets fixed, do I have a feature in the framework which can run only the failed test cases? How will it get integrated with other processes? And he will now think of continuous integration and DevOps. What will happen if I get a build from a dev team? Can the framework trigger its automation on its own? And what happens once the automation is completed? What will be the next process? So he's thinking about a complete solution and he's becoming more and more relevant. Now just imagine if this person goes for an interview. He will face a lot of scenarios and situations and questions there, but he's ready because he has already thought about these scenarios and situation, and he's actually focusing on solving a problem rather than just learning automation to get a job. So you can see this is a simple thought, but the impact is so huge. Now as my students and my family, I want you to think about this, implement this in anything that you are doing or anything that you plan to do, and see the impact for yourself. Also today I want to request you, whatever are your thoughts about this video and about this concept, do let me know in the comment section below. I want to read all your thoughts today, and I hope all this was very useful. I will meet you in the next episode of Sunday Special. Thank you for watching.